Is a really easy Easter wreath that you can make with anything that you have at home. So I'm going to show you an example of a finished one that I already made. So here it is. It's paper, watercolors, some tape, a few markers. That's pretty much it. Okay, so I've got like a little chick up here coming out of an egg, and I made a little bow down here. Okay, and it's completely paper. Here's the back, right? Okay, so you will need a pair of scissors, optional, some craft scissors, any kind of tape, some white paper. I just use like plain white computer paper like this. You'll need some watercolors, you need some markers, you need a paintbrush, water, and that's it for now. Okay, so you're going to take that piece of white paper and you're going to draw an egg shape. Okay, so for mine, let's see how many I had to make. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like 10 or 11 egg shapes, like this. So I already have some here. And all I did was take some of the watercolors and decorate the eggs, right? Just like you would be decorating real eggs. So you can paint them however you like, right? So 10 or 11 eggs. And once you have them all painted and they're nice and dry, you're going to lay them out on your table in a circle, and you're going to overlap them ever so slightly. So here's the first one. And then I'm just going to go around in a circle like this and go all the way around till I've used all 10, 11 eggs. Okay, so they'll be in a nice little circle. Once you have them arranged in a circle that you like, you're going to take some of your tape and you're going to attach them together with your tape. So I attached like 2 or 3 at a time, and I went all the way around the circle. Okay, all right. So once you have them attached, all right, you'll have your basic wreath with all of your eggs. And now I'm going to show you how I did the little chick. So the chick's egg is one of these eggs that I made. So I'm just going to I'll use this one to show you. So just a regular egg painted. I took my craft scissors that have that fancy edge on them, and I just cut my egg in half. So now it has that fancy textured edge there. Then I took a piece of white paper. So just I'm going to use a scrap piece here. I took, let's see, what can I use? I'll use a pencil, and I drew my little chick. So my little chick looks like kind of a fuzzy ball, like that. Because I just need the chick's face, right? And then I just did the eyes. I did a little beak, like that. Then I colored in my chick. I used my yellow color pencil for a little yellow chick. And then some orange for his beak. Do some purple for his eyes. And then I gave my chick some little rosy cheeks, so I just put my finger in the red watercolor and then just touched it to the little chick's face. Give him sort of rosy cheeks. Right? Looking for something to wipe my finger on here. And then I cut out the chick's face. And then I arranged him with his cracked shell there. Just overlap it a little bit from the bottom and a little bit on the top. Take some tape. tape on the back. I have to trim it a little. Too much tape. And then this piece here. Here's my little chick coming out of the shell. And I used another piece of tape just to attach him right here. So I guess I could put him right here. Now I've got two chicks. And I also made a little bow down here. I'll draw the bow really quickly so you can see how I did that. So I did the center of the bow like this. And then another smaller shape right there. This is going to be the knot that is the bow. It's like a bow tie, sort of. And then two little pieces of ribbon, just kind of like that. And then I cut that out. And that was my bow for my wreath. And this is the really easy Easter wreath.